In this video, we're going to show you how to connect Claude AI to Roblox Studio. So make sure that you have Claude AI and Roblox Studio downloaded both on your PC. And then as an example, let's start, make sure as we said that you're logged in or that you have it downloaded, and make sure that you're logged in into an account into your Claude AI. So now you can go and open your Roblox Studio, and of course you can go and open, as example, the game that you are trying to connect to Claude AI through MCP servers. Of course, that is the option that we are going to connect. So from here, you can go to the top right, and you do have, as an example, this AI assistant. So just go and click on that. Once you click on it, as you can see, something should be opened here at the bottom right. So you'll find here new chats and you'll find everything. What we'll have to do is simply click on the three dots at the top right of this assistant. Click on that, then make sure to click, you'll find manage API keys, and go down and click on manage MCP servers. So once you click on that, this should open. If you find yourself on API key, just go and click on MCP server. So of course, as you can see here, connecting a third-party LLM to Roblox Studio will share your data with that provider. So review their privacy practice terms and age limits before processing, because Roblox is not responsible for third-party model outputs. So what you'll have to do here first is simply enabling the MCP server from here. And normally, if you do have Claude, as we said, connected, you'll find it under this quick connect. You can just go, if you find this closed, just go and open it up, and you can turn this Claude desktop on, and this will connect it together. Of course, if you have codecs, you will be able to connect that. If you have Visual Studio Code, you'll be able to connect that. You can even connect Claude Code CLI through, as an example, this command. So you can just run this command in your project directory to connect it right away. So as you can see, the process become much easier, especially in the last updates of Roblox Studio to connect it. So you can just go and enable the MCP servers and make sure to enable the Claude desktop. And of course, if you want any details, instructions, you can click on see documentations and follow from there. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.